My name's Chrystie Leonard. I'm the Chief Customer Experience Officer for the Global Healthcare Exchange. I've been here a little over 5 years in a couple different roles, and I have a long-standing history in healthcare with about 25 years in all types of companies, medical devices, pharmaceuticals, biotech, diagnostics, and in the last 5 years, working in healthcare supply chain. It's been an amazing experience and a great opportunity to support the broader healthcare environment. We have had a long-standing relationship with Firstsource for the last 17 years. I would say what has connected us is our shared values, and GHX is extremely customer-centric. We understand the value we bring to the industry and the importance of every transaction needs to go through, because making sure they get the data to the right places, and so the patients on the table are getting what they need, the supplies they need when they need it, very critical to healthcare. And so when something goes wrong, we have a issue, a customer doesn't get the transaction flowing in the way they need, the first group that steps up immediately is Firstsource, and they really work closely with us to understand what happened, be able to resolve it, and come back with the solutions to make sure it doesn't happen again. And so we feel a really close connection to Firstsource because of that. We share those customer-centric values, and both parties, both us and Firstsource, are leaning in tightly to solve the problems for our customers, make sure they get what they need. Our collaboration has definitely evolved over the years. For me, even in the last 5 years, with technology evolving, I feel like we've had to make adjustments. We've put in place new technologies on our end. We've scaled quite substantially. We're a 25-year-old company, but in the last 5 years, we've almost doubled in growth, and Firstsource has been right by our side, ready to add the necessary team to be able to support our customers and fluctuate with the volumes that we've seen. Many people found COVID to be a struggle for us. We saw a continued acceleration in the healthcare industry, and so Firstsource was right there to help us scale, but also help us evolve with technology, in particular with AI, as we look to solve some of the less complex issues and ensure that our labor was focused on the most important advanced things that need to be happening to support our customers. My message is thank you for everything you're doing every day. I can't reiterate enough how important your role is to supporting the healthcare industry and the tens of millions of patients we're supporting. And so we feel the Firstsource team is an extension of our GHX family. And again, thank you for everything you're doing. Appreciate each of you, and keep fighting for the cause in healthcare.